Learn how to work with the Azure Functions File System using the console in this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks. One common question with working with Azure Functions sometimes is, well, how can I rename my functions? Here inside of the Azure portal, you can see I have a function and it's just called demo. It's just a simple Azure timer function. What I'm going to do is I'll click on Platform Features. And closer to the bottom where it says Development Tools, I'll select Console. Now, because my Azure function is being hosted on a Windows machine, I can get access to the Windows command line. So here, if I type dir, you can see some of the contents of that folder structure. Now, what I want to do is actually rename my function. So I'm going to call rem demo, and let's call this demo renamed. I'll type dir again to list what's inside of here, and notice I've just renamed the file. Back on the left side where my functions are listed, I'll hit this refresh button. And now you can see how quickly I was able to rename my functions using the command line.